In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your SIM card is not being detected on your ALCATEL Free 2019. First, you want to check if it is being detected by your phone. To do so, go into Settings, here, Network and Connection, and then SIM cards. If your SIM card shows up here, that means it is actually being detected and there's some other issues. For example, you could simply have no signal and that's why you think you have no SIM card. Or there could be some damage to the SIM card, but if it doesn't show up there, you may also want to check if the SIM card is even inserted. To do so, you want to pop out the tray on the left side of the phone. Right here, there's a little hole right under the slot. You want to take the little metal pin that came with your phone, insert it in, and push it in until the tray pops out. As you can see, it's popped out. Once it has, you can pull it out with your fingers. Don't be too rough with it to not damage anything inside there. And you'll be able to see your SIM card in here. Now, if it is in here, you may want to consider taking it out and then cleaning it with a soft cloth. Just don't use any corrosive substances, don't use water. And you could also try just testing the SIM card in another phone to confirm whether it works or not. If the SIM card turns out to be faulty, you can request your carrier to give you another one. But if the SIM card works in other phones, you may also want to try just placing it back into the phone. Just put the SIM card into the slot. Make sure the tray is the right side up. It should have little writing right on this little divider. If you see it, that means it's the right side up. And then place the SIM card in so it fits. Then place it back into the slot. Just make sure you put it in straight and push it in until it's completely in. Then try checking if your SIM card is now detected. You can do so again in Settings, Network and Connection, and SIM cards, or by the simple look at the signal, because if you have any, that means your SIM card is probably being detected. Now, if these steps don't work, you could try potentially looking if your system is up to date. To do so, go into Settings, then System Updates, and then check for updates now. Although you might have to connect to Wi-Fi if your mobile data doesn't work. So let's do this for now. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can check for updates, though it might take a little bit. Let's try resetting it. Just try checking for updates, but it's unlikely you'll find any as the last update has been rolled out quite a long time ago. Another thing you could try is to simply reset your network settings, as they could be potentially messing up. To do so, go into Settings, then System, here Reset, and then Network Settings Reset. Reset settings, confirm your pattern or password, and then reset settings again. This will reset your network settings, which might help. Of course, as always, another thing you could do is simply restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, and then tap on Restart and confirm with OK. That will reboot your phone. But if nothing works, you might have to either, as I said before, get a replacement of your SIM card or take your phone to a service center. But before you take it to a service center, you could also simply try again taking out your SIM card and placing it into the other slot, as this phone has two SIM card slots. This is number 1 and this is number 2, although if you are using a memory SD card, you might not be able to put it in there alongside the SD card. So let's try to put it in. So it is now in slot 2. Let's see if it works with just slot 2. Let's go into here, SIM cards, and as you can see it shows up under slot 2 right now. And you can just try putting it into slot 2 if it doesn't work in the first one. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.